Again, Choice in South Africa. Today we want to talk about piracy, how it's affecting the veteran musicians, and how also they counter it. We counter Choice in piracy.
Mina, I once, amaphepha ayabhala even South Africa bethi abanye abantu bethi no, I want to relocate from South Africa and then go to Zimbabwe, and the first chase uJagembuli weZimbabwe and what and talking this and that.
Yes.
But i-pirates vele yona mina ngase ngayibona bona bana ma kwakubuya ama-cassette lana ayibuya green blue what from Zambia ngase ngabona ukuthi laba sokuntinta izinto. We used to earn good monies. Mina used to earn ama-royalties from about 5,000 US,
Yes.
Yeah. And here in Matabeleland I used to be the top.
Yes.
Yeah, from my royalties, But pirating is cut in Paitana layo. Ibuya impusha layo.
Yeah.
Ngabona ukuthi no into lezi ade sokulabo asebefaka uthi recording ngoma umuntu ayithathe iphosele online internet uyithole ingoma ifakwe ibalo
wena ungakayikhiphi unika
ufakwe ibizo lomunye umuntu so ngabona mina ngathi no as an elder I won't even run around and then okugijimisa labafana. Then now ngabona ukuthi ama live shows they are the best.
Yes.
Yeah, we do live shows then abantu baya appreciate ungathemba ku live show but it will be not like
because we are kind of now you recorded Chase so it remains Chase.
Yeah, so ama live shows ayenza right, even ubaba shero uMacheso mayibuyela bana ePalace once he say ngoma shika ndawo ngiyabika bana people they appreciate.
Yes, that's nice.
Singers united.
Yes.
Because in music I always encourage even the upcoming and the seasoned musicians. It's tribalism. It won't work. It won't even
It destroys.
Gives us the light, the future light. Once we put tribalism, then we are putting the dark cloud on us. As a musician, we have to be united.
On that note, I'm cutting you.
Yeah, I think.